take so much time. So since this is addition, we're going to use the first pattern, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So our a here is negative 2lm. So negative 2lm will be squared plus 2 times a, which is negative 2lm, times the value of b, which is 13 mn, plus b squared, which is 13 mn squared. Okay, again, multiply the number by itself. Okay, when you are squaring, you multiply the number by itself. So negative 2lm times negative 2lm gives us positive 4l squared m squared. Okay, so it became positive because you multiply negative 2 by itself. So multiply negative 2 and negative 2, you'll get a positive answer, which is positive